Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in this video we'll look at the GoPro Magnetic Swivel Clip. So this is compatible with the GoPro Hero 9 and also the GoPro Hero 10. So you can use this to clip onto your backpack strap and record videos if you like, and also you can use the magnet to stick it to metal surfaces as shown here. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay guys, so this is what was inside the box. So this is the clip. It's very sturdy, so you need to push it with some force to move the clip up, and that's the magnet. And it comes with a thumb screw and also the mounting for the GoPro. So in order to slide the mounting bracket into the clip, you need to lift the rubber flap here, this thing here. Just lift it up and you just slide it in like this. Like that, and you just push it in till the mounting buckle touches the edge here. So you just push it in further. There you go guys, so it should be flush with the clip, as you can see there, and then you can push the rubber piece down. There you go. And then to mount the GoPro, you just push down the ears. And put your thumb screw in. There you go guys. So the plastic is very firm, but you need to make sure you are careful when you put the mounting bracket in, so you don't break the plastic. So you can rotate the camera as well, so it has a rotating mechanism here, so you can position it in any direction you want. And the magnet is very strong as well. Okay guys, so this is my chair. I'm just gonna test the magnet on the chair. Yeah, and when I try to pull it off, it's quite stuck to the chair quite firmly. So I can safely say that the magnet is really good. Ignore the fact that it wobbled side to side because this is a curved surface. So probably on a flat surface this would stay on without falling to a side. So I'm going to test this on my bag strap as well. So here we go. It's quite firm. The teeth on the clip press hard against the strap, and you can swivel the camera as well to the position you want it to be, and you can make it upright as well. Which is brilliant. So you don't have to carry the GoPro on a mount when you move about. You can put it on your backpack strap and let it record. So I would give this magnetic swivel clip 10 out of 10. It's a great GoPro accessory to have. The magnet is quite great as well, it's quite strong. And the best thing is you can swivel the mount in bracket as well to any orientation that you like. So let me know your thoughts on the GoPro Magnetic Swivel Clip. You can put them in the comment section below. And if you look at the pop-out banner that just appears right now, you can see more GoPro videos using the playlist. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.